Okay, so today what are we doing? Playing with the Mentos. Ava, is it still on? Good, Ava, get it this way and perfect. Okay, now, so today we're going to be doing the Mento explosion. So we're going to do this. Ava, Ava, okay. So, it's me from the Ben Andrews channel. And here I am doing this right now. Okay, come on, open up Mentos. Just trying to open up the Mentos before nighttime comes. And if you're starting to hear some crickets, it's kind of like nighttime out here, so sorry. But I was like, maybe we should just make a YouTube video out of this, so watch. What? Oh! Oh, are you getting this? Look at.
Some more.
Let's get some more out.
But the ones they're packing.
Oh, did you see that? So that was on first. So yeah.
Get all of them in. More.
Come on. And also if you
Shake it up.
Wait. Okay, so wait, also guys. So if I get 1,000 views in the next hour on this video, I will drink this Coke. I promise. I will drink this exact one with all the Mentos that were on the floor, the one that exploded. And then, look at this. Shake it up. Let's see if you can reuse Mentos. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Got some Coca-Cola in my eyes. So it's nice playing with them. Ta-da! So I will drink this thing if I get 1,000 views in the next hour. And I promise I will drink this one. Okay?